The extremely current exchanging volume of Avalanche generally is at $908,172,383 in a huge manner, which is very critical. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, in spite of mainstream thinking. Avax United States dollar medium-term support in every practical sense remained at $13.68, or so they actually by and large thought. Avalanche's EMA10 certainly shows a vertical pattern, which in a real sense is genuinely huge in a significant manner. 13 November 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for truly sort of the following week and sort of attempt to respond to these regularly gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is truly momentary cost expectation for Avalanche, explicitly generally is Avax a by and large wise interest in a very enormous manner, or so they thought. Avalanche support and obstruction levels and so on, showing how Avax United States dollar medium-term support most certainly basically remained at $13.68, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking, in spite of mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Avax specialized examination, for the most part really let us generally certainly discuss the kind of genuinely current economic situations in an essentially certainly significant manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,414,664,667,125. So however prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the Avax specialized investigation, by and large, let us sort of discuss the very current economic situations. Which certainly generally is very critical in a significant manner. The especially lovely complete exchanging volume especially remains at $48,913,730,687, or so they essentially thought, which is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in a very huge manner in a significant way. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33%, so Avalanche's EMA10, for the most part shows a vertical pattern, certainly really in spite of mainstream thinking in a significant way. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours, further appearance how Avalanche's EMA10 truly shows a vertical pattern in an in every practical sense, fundamentally large way, as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period, which especially is very critical in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP explicitly in a real sense, is somewhere near 2.19 and right now exchanging at 65 cents, pretty fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Solana came to $57.83 in the wake of seeing a decay of 3.02% in esteem, which by and large in a real sense shows that yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Avax specialized examination, especially basically let us generally discuss the essentially current economic situations in a fundamentally especially huge manner. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market very is going in a kind of especially descending course for truly present moment, which all things considered, explicitly is very critical. Right now, and in every way that really matters, lovely general sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge in a significant way. Avalanche backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense truly are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters, truly recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a kind of huge manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers by and large generally become commonly kind of more truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how Avalanche backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized markers used to truly recognize most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a by and large huge manner. Similarly, opposition really is a level at which dealers generally become move kind of in every practical sense, dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally certainly is genuinely huge. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Avalanche, Avax, Avalanche execution. The ongoing Avalanche cost in a real sense is $18.08, with an exchanging volume of $908,172,383 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. At present, Avax in a real sense truly is somewhere near 1.2% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,427,479,330 United States dollars, showing how as of now, a pretty most certainly broad most certainly kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an extremely huge manner. Avalanche Value Examination Avax Cost Investigation for 13 November 2023, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span, commonly for the most part made sense of underneath, showing how Avalanche support and obstruction levels and so on, showing how Avax United States dollar medium-term support certainly remained at $13.68 in an entirely of significant way, which basically is very critical. We utilize sort of truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving reasonably especially normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving fundamentally especially normal, EMA, to sort of truly dissect the future development of the Avalanche. Showing how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the Avax specialized examination, basically let us in every practical sense, most certainly discuss the kind of current economic situations, by and large especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. While Avax's Williams %R marker sort of certainly is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing a non-partisan condition. A exchange genuinely signal explicitly is by and large essentially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that we utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to in every practical sense, generally dissect the future development of the Avalanche, showing how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Avax specialized examination. Especially let us explicitly discuss the very current economic situations, which sort of for the most part is genuinely huge. The Avax United States dollar moving pretty normal combination and disparity, MACD, marker, truly is showing a sort of exceptionally present moment by and large sell reasonably in every practical sense. Signal is the MACD line actually most certainly is moving underneath, especially signal line which certainly implies for the most part truly bears explicitly are overwhelming in the market in a kind of significant way, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The sort of relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Avax coin truly is an oversold stage, as RSI most certainly is at 29, showing how following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Avalanche, Avax, Avalanche execution, the truly sort of current Avalanche cost essentially explicitly is $18.08.